Hi, in this video we're going to take a look how you can unblock the drain with a drain cleaner powder. Maybe you can get them in your country under a different brand name, but the active ingredient will be similar. So here you can see I have a block drain. The drain is not running smoothly, so the water overflow. So here is some quick directions. Basically you need to have around 2 tablespoons. So I'm just going to pour into a plastic container. It will be easier to pour down the drain or the block drain. So 2 tablespoons, and we will leave it soak in the block drain for around 15 minutes. So here I'm going to pour it in the shower. So this is in the shower, and then I'll have one outside. I'm going to pour it in here as well. So this is quite fairly cheap to buy, and you can give it a try first before getting in a plumber. So pour it in there and let it soak in there for 15 seconds. When you put that in there, you want to also put the water in. You can see the film is coming out. That will basically dissolve any clog hair in your drain. Most of the time the drain is blocked because of the clog hair in the drain, so it will basically dissolve all the hair in there. So just put 1 cup of water in. After you put the powder in, just immediately put 1 cup of water in and then close the bathroom door because it can be quite smell. And then just leave it in there for 15 minutes and then come back and turn on the shower. So I'm just going to turn on the shower and just to check to make sure the water is running smoothly. Now if it is still blocked, you want to try it again the second time. And if it's still not improving, then you try it again the third time, because sometimes the block can be quite big and you want to try several times before you can unblock it. If worst come to the worst, and if it doesn't work, you can try to get in a plumber. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.